What is going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. We are at 49 days since I did the overseed on my front lawn, which is turf type tall fescue in the transition zone in East Tennessee. And as you can see, things are looking really good, although not everything is perfect. Near the driveways and the corners, it's a little bit sparse. Not as tall, but still everything is looking way better than it did last year. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the last application in the Seeding and Overseeding Pack, which is applying 1801 Greene Punch. Now yes, technically you're supposed to do Greene Punch at 42 days after seeding, but I am a little bit behind, but we're going to go ahead and push through and apply it anyway. Now anytime I'm going to use a hose-in sprayer, I do fill it back up to the top, so I'm got 24 ounces of Green Pop in my measuring cup, and then I fill it up to the 32-ounce line with water. Just helps everything flow easier. Also in this application, you're going to do 3 ounces of RGS, but I do that in a separate application as I don't want to mix the products. Now in East Tennessee, we have had our first frost and our first freeze of the year, but as you're going to see on screen, our soil temperatures are still averaging in the mid to upper 50s. I'm applying this early in the morning, so the soil temperatures are a little bit lower, but we're still in the mid to upper 50s for soil temperatures, so my season is still actively going. I am still mowing the lawn. There is a little bit of frost damage to the lawn, but overall things are still looking really well. So I'm still mowing, I'm still going to be applying fertilizer, and things are just going to keep growing here for the next few weeks, which is honestly surprising for this time of year. Now with the Seeding and Overseeding Pack, there are 3 steps to the process. At the time of seeding, you're going to apply 16-21-2 Green Pop, which gets the seed started and helps the roots start establishing, along with 3 ounces of RGS. Then you're going to go ahead and apply 901 Green Start at 21 days after seeding. That keeps the grass growing but doesn't push a lot of growth, which could stress things out. And this application being the final step, 1801 Green Punch with RGS. Grass should be already established, gonna get an awesome color response. Now here you're seeing I'm applying the RGS. I am adding it to an existing, mostly used bottle of aerate. There's about 8 ounces of aerate left in the bottle, so I am also using 5 ounces of RGS total, because it's 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet, and I have 1,500 square feet here in the main area of my front lawn. Now if you want to see any other updates or see the process so far here in the front yard and the journey that I've gone on, you can head over to my channel, Dadding All Day. I've documented everything. Last year I did a lawn renovation which didn't go super well, but nonetheless you can keep up to date with everything I've done on the lawn over on my channel. After this application, I went ahead and watered everything in at about 5 minutes per zone, because this stuff needs to get down into the soil to be absorbed through the root system. And that is pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. If you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Next DIY Lawn channel. I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.